So here's my lamp. I really like it. I have it on the Sun Lamp Max right now. I've seen a lot of things about, like, in the review section about it being really hard to use. Personally, not for me. I found it very easy to use. You can change it to just like the color on the front of it, like that. And then you can switch it to different colors with that button right there. You just have to read through the instructions because there is a lot of different functions to the alarm clock, which is probably why it can be a little difficult to use. But like with this, you can like lower the brightness as well. Like that. And if you go back, there's also, can change the sun lamp. So can do it to the darker one. That's more of like a sunset. And it gets like warmer. I really like it. And then there's a little sleep thing where you can set a timer and it'll play like white noise. But you can choose whatever kind of white noise you want. There's like a fire. I've been using that lately. And then it's a thunderstorm. I really like that one too. But yeah, and then you can also turn the volume down by these buttons right here, or there's also a thing at the top. So like, if it's already out of the screen and you're like, oh, it's too loud, what do you gotta do? Turn down. And you can also put anything on the screen with this. So these are like solid colors until you get to 6. That's when it starts like changing colors. And then yeah, if you just want white noise, there's there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I know this is kind of a long video, but I just kind of wanted to show all the different functions and kind of explain like why people are saying that it's hard to use. But yeah, I just read through the instructions that they gave me, and yeah, it worked out pretty well for me. I really like it. So yeah, I highly recommend this. So does Ollie. Say bye. Ooh, it's so cute. It's like go back and you can set. Okay, so it's different lighting. So cute. And changes lights.